There are competing bills tonight aiming to change the way that new parents and those with medical problems may take leave from work.
Republicans and Democrats at the state capitol are taking different approaches. News 3's Rose Schmidt tells us about the challenges people face when taking time off.
Well, people take a leave from work for all kinds of reasons, whether that means caring for a sick kid or a loved one, or taking some time off to care for themselves and their new baby. You've bought all the clothes and read all the books, but nothing really prepares you to become a parent for the first time.
Not knowing what to expect when you have a baby, I think that's a big challenge. And every baby is so different.
Sarah Smith owns the baby-centered shop Happy Bambino. The store also serves as a resource center for new moms and dads when they're on leave from work.
Because we know that can be a little bit of a struggle for parents sometimes, that things don't always work out the way you want them to after you have a baby. Maybe you take leave and then find out that a job isn't there for you when you come back.
That uncertainty may also boil over to state law. The state's family and medical leave law would be made more like federal law under a new Republican proposal. That's saying that employers have to either follow state law or federal law, but not both. It's a move the state's top business lobbying group says would help alleviate confusion for business owners.
Having two different rules that are very similar but still have some differences as we have now just makes a situation where employers need to make sure that they cross every T and dot every I. Senator Darling's bill will, again, just make things a little easier on the compliance side, which will reduce costs for employers.
But Democrats are preparing a different approach. They're introducing the Local Wage Act, which would allow cities and local governments to create their own family and medical leave standards and set their own minimum wage.
Bringing control to local government means putting the power and authority in the hands of folks who know best what's going on at the level of labor markets.
Or in this case, those who know the most about labor.
There are lots of different things that can come up as new parents.
While this is an issue that tops both Democrats' and Republicans' agendas, the authors of these bills say it's unlikely that any of the proposals will move forward, not this legislative session.
Rose Schmidt reporting tonight. Rose, thank you.